Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with a businesswithtrading.com, doing stock talk for Saturday, February 7th. And today I'm going to bring to you a stock that just looks really good. You can play it with options, play it with shares, it's really up to you. I prefer options in the majority of my stock trades, but it's an individual thing. So I'm not going to talk directly to that, but I am going to talk to what I like about this one and how I see it playing from a risk scenario. Let's say you bought it right here, 1369. We're going to go with that number since it was the close of Friday. And I am looking for it to run up here. That's why we're looking at a 5-year daily chart, because that's what I'm looking at. Looking at 22. It's probably going to take a little bit of time to get up there, just because it's quite a ways away. But it's going to be a good move, I think. So let's say you bought it at 1369. Say you were a bit aggressive, and your stop's going to be at 12. Seems like a decent stop, and that's what I would do. There's two different ways you can do this: stop at 12 or a stop at 11. Because I do think taking out 11 would probably not be that good, but I really do like this one. So if your stop was at 12, you're risking $1.69 to make, and we're gonna just say 22. There's no reason to be that greedy. So we'll say 22, $8.31 is what we would be targeting. So if your stop is at 12, you're risking $1.69. So you're making 4.91 times your risk. Pretty good trade, right? So if you're risking 11, then if your stop is at 11, you're risking $2.69, which means your target of $8.31 from entry would be 3 times, or 3.089 times. I round it down to 3 times your risk. So no matter where you place your stop at, if you want to be a little more aggressive, a little bit more conservative, if my stop was at 12, I would not want to see price back below 13, 18, wherever it is here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, here we go. 13.22, it looks like. 13.22. Yeah, I would not want to see price back below 13.22. So getting back below that, there is a chance that above 13 and this thing still has opportunity to play out. Below 13, 12.55 is going to be in jeopardy, and it's probably going to come down a little bit more from there. So there are a couple different ways to look at this. Wrong zooming way. Alright, there's a couple different ways to look at this. Price can come down and then start moving up. If it starts moving up from here, then you can just go ahead and move your stop to break even plus a couple ticks for commission and whatnot, and just write it up. But I really do like this one. I'm looking at it definitely a longer term play, but it does look really good. From 1369 to 22, looking really good. I think it will be able to get there. If it starts taking off right here, then you should get 3 points on it very quickly. If it does break down below 12.55, it'll take it a little bit of time to be able to break 16s and start moving higher. So that's really what I'm looking at right now. It looks like a really good play. Hopefully you guys enjoy the chart, enjoy the analysis. You can always leave comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.